Hey guys, and welcome back to AK Cubing. So I really hope you enjoyed my last video, which was on Look PLL, and I did that yesterday. And I really hope you learned something from it. And today we're going to be covering Look PLL. So let's dive straight into it. Once again, there are 6 cases in Look PLL. And there are 21 cases in regular PLL, and I'm going to be jumping into OLL and PLL next after the Look OLL and PLL. So yeah, let's dive into it. Alright, so again, there are 2 steps in 2 stages, I would say, in solving the PLL using Look. And the 2 stages are the corner permutation, where you solve the corners and then you solve the edge to solve the whole thing. Alright, so this is the first case, and how I remembered it was that I needed to switch these 2 pieces. So if I switch this to here, then this green would be solved, and so would this orange. And this one would be here, so the red would be solved, and so would the green. So what you do with the side that has the corner solved, you do R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R, F prime. So this is the next case, and the way I remember it, is that there are, on this side there's a green and a blue, and on this side there's a green and a blue. So what you have to do is R prime, U, L prime, U2, R, U prime, L, R prime, U, L prime, U2, R, U prime, L, and then that gets that. So then this is a lucky case where the corners are already permuted, and yeah, so there's no algorithm for that. Alright, so now we're on edge permutation, which is the second stage, and this is a beginner's one, where you have one solved side in the back. In this case, I have blue, and yeah, and then it's a clockwise. You have to move the edges into clockwise. So what you do is R2, U, RU, R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R prime, and yeah. So now this is the next one. It's pretty similar, where you have the blue and the solved, but now it's a counterclockwise one, where you have to go like this here and this and this, yeah. So it's pretty much opposite. So it's R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. So now this brings us to our next case, which is where it's like this, and you need to get the edge pieces like this. So it's like this. You have to get it like this. This one here, this one here, this one here, and this one here. This is so what you do is M2 prime, U, M2 prime, U, M prime, U2, M2 prime, U2, M prime. Okay, to the next case, which is where the edges needs to be in the opposite place. So it's called H perm, and you need to do M2, U prime, M2, U2, M2, U prime, M2. And the last one, of course, is a skip. So yeah. Thank you guys so much. I really hope you learned something from this video, and this concludes our 4 LLL. And yeah, if you haven't watched the OLL one, Look OLL, please do so, so you can continue to this one. And I really hope this helped you. It's a beginner's CFOP, and it helped me first because it taught me the right way how to learn algorithms. So I really hope this helped you. I'll leave a comment if this did. I read every single comment. And also drop a like if this helped you, so more people can find it. And subscribe if you really want more tutorials and videos like this. And be sure to ring the notification bell too. Thank you. This is AK Cubing.